say they have detected more than 450 earthquakes under Mount St. Helens over the past 3 months.
Nearly 200 earthquakes were recorded in Yellowstone National Park in the past 2 weeks. 20 earthquakes hit overnight near Mount St. Helens.
Mount St. Helens has seen an increase in earthquake activity with nearly 350 quakes over the last several months.
According to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, Yellowstone National Park was hit by a swarm of over 200 earthquakes between Saturday night and early Monday morning. The strongest quake, a magnitude 5.8, struck just north of the Norris Geyser Basin at a shallow depth of approximately 7 miles, a worrying sign that the activity is occurring near the upper boundaries of the magma system. Sensors positioned around the park have recorded rapid ground deformation, an indication that magma or hot fluids may be moving upward beneath the surface. The geyser, known as the world's tallest active geyser, erupted twice in less than 24 hours, while sulfur gas readings in the park's hydrothermal areas spiked dramatically. Visitors described hearing rumbling sounds beneath the ground, followed by waves of steam rising from newly opened fissures. We are observing an unusual level of seismic clustering and heat flux across the park. The movement appears shallow, which means that the energy is concentrated close to the surface. At this point, we cannot rule out hydrothermal explosions or even a minor phreatic event. Meanwhile, nearly 800 miles west, Mount St. Helens has also entered a state of heightened alert. A magnitude 6.1 earthquake struck beneath the volcano's northern flank, shaking nearby communities in southwest Washington. The quake was followed by several aftershocks and visible steam plumes emerging from the crater. Instruments installed near the volcano detected a rapid uplift of nearly 2 inches over the last 48 hours. The uplift, combined with elevated seismic energy and degassing, is a textbook sign of magma intrusion. This doesn't necessarily mean an eruption is imminent, but the subsurface system is recharging. The coincidence of these two seismic crises has left scientists divided. Some believe the timing is coincidental, driven by broader tectonic stress along the North American plate, while others suggest that interconnected mantle dynamics beneath the continent's western margin may be influencing both regions simultaneously. For now, both volcanoes remain under Alert Level 2, Elevated Unrest. According to the USGS Volcano Hazards Program, scientists emphasize that while no eruption is confirmed, the next few days will be critical in determining whether the magma pressure stabilizes or continues to rise toward the surface. Nature is giving us clear signals. Our job is to interpret them before it's too late. The earth beneath these parks is alive, and it's reminding us of its immense power. The simultaneous seismic awakenings of Yellowstone and Mount St. Helens serve as a stark reminder that the American West rests atop some of the most volatile geological systems on Earth's sleeping giants that, even after centuries of quiet, can awaken without warning.